Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. What better thing screams summer than having wonderful homemade popsicles at home? This awesome silicone popsicle set from Belle Dream is the perfect setup so that you can have popsicles ready for kids and adults. The bottom part of the popsicle maker is the silicone holder, and I really love that this one holds a dozen popsicles, so you can make assorted flavors and have different ones going all the time. They included a ton of extra popsicle sticks. So the sticks themselves are made out of plastic, but they're really easy to pull out of the silicone once you have your popsicles ready. The set also comes with an awesome silicone funnel that's really compact and easy to store, but also is a big help when you're making your popsicles. The kit itself is easy to clean. Everything is washable right in soap and water, and it leaves no residue every time. I also like that they included a cleaning brush if needed, just for some extra help. Because of its generous size, this popsicle maker not only makes 12 popsicles, but also they're each nice and deep, so you can get an assortment of flavors. My favorite is to make coffee ones and then stick that popsicle right into my iced coffee, making it really delicious. The popsicle maker is perfect. It's easy to use. I really love that it's silicone because it just makes it so much easier to get the popsicles out. Have a lot of fun this summer when you go with an awesome popsicle kit like this one, but that's just my point of view.